Hello everyone. Okay. എല്ലാവർക്കും കേൾക്കാവോ? Am I audible? ഓക്കെ, ഓഡിബിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഒന്ന് ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഒന്ന് പറയാമോ? ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് ക്ലിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ജസ്റ്റ് ലൈവ് ചാറ്റിൽ ഒന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഴ്ചയിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എല്ലാ സൺഡേസിലും നമ്മൾ ഒരു വീക്ക്ലി ഫോറക്സ് ഫോർകാസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ഭാഗത്തുനിന്ന് ഉണ്ടാവും എന്നുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ആയിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവർക്കും എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആവും. ഓക്കെ, ഓരോ ആഴ്ചയിലും എന്താണ് മാർക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്, അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ കറക്റ്റ് ട്രേഡ് അല്ല, മാർക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒരു ട്രെൻഡ് എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും, മാർക്കറ്റ് ഒരു സൈഡ് വേസ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു അപ് ട്രെൻഡ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കുമോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏത് ഭാഗത്തോട്ടാണ് മാർക്കറ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ്, അത് നമ്മൾ മേജർ കറൻസീസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള യൂറോ USD, USDJPY, AUDUSD പോലത്തെ കറൻസി പെയർസും ഗോൾഡ്, ബിറ്റ് കോയിൻ, ക്രിപ്റ്റോ കറൻസീസിലൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഒരു ട്രേഡ് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി കിട്ടാൻ സാധ്യത. അല്ല, നോർമലി മൺഡേസിൽ നമ്മൾ ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കാറില്ല. കാരണം എന്താണ് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ, യെസ്, yeah, I will continue with English also. So normally we don't take any entries on Monday, but still we need to know market in the next trend or the next week's trend. Okay, so that's why we are started for the weekly forex forecast. So every Sunday we will conduct the forex weekly forex forecast. Okay, so I think it will be helpful for our community also. Okay, so yeah. So Prakash, Sajad, Balu, Fana, okay, Praveen, Danish, Shipin, Pradosh, Jumbo, Adwal, okay, Ali, Rasa, yes, I will continue also with English. So this live will be mixed with English and Malayalam. Okay. Okay, yes, in my FX book usage is for using for to calculate the position sizing, to calculate the how much lot you need to take in your capital, okay, according to your risk and stop loss. Okay, so that I will be shown in this live also to your understand. I think most of the students know that, but again I will repeat that. Okay. Okay, so ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തുള്ള to understand the market trend, the next week market trend. So just എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ സ്ക്രീനൊക്കെ വിസിബിൾ ആണ്? യെസ്, കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ട്രേഡിംഗ് വ്യൂവിൽ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും കാണാം അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ ചാർട്ട് ഡ്രോ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവർക്കും കാണാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ്, നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഇതിൽ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്, ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ഹയർ ടൈം ഫ്രെയിം മുതൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഒന്ന് വാച്ച് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, വി ക്യാൻ ലുക്ക് അപ്പ് ഫ്രം ദ ടോപ്പ് ഡൗൺ അനാലിസിസ്. സോ what happened? Can you suggest about XAUUSD? Yes, we are starting from the XAUUSD. Okay, so I am taking from the 12-month chart. Okay, so we are the top down analysis will be, we will start from the higher time frame, that is the 12-month 1-year chart. Okay, very simple. So you can see I am marked the opening price of this here. Okay, that is very important for the gold. Okay, and I just coming to 6-month candle, that is also the same price. That opening price is also same because this is only the first quarter, right? So the price will be equal to the opening price of this year. Okay, so again I am coming to the 3-month candle. So 3 month. Okay, here also that is the same price of the opening candle, right? So this is the end March, like today March 17, this is the ending of this quarter, right? Quarter, then this will be very important price zone for the gold, this opening price. Okay, that is almost 2623. Okay, ഈ ഒരു പ്രൈസ് സോൺ വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. 2620, 24, 25 റേഞ്ച് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ എന്താണ് ഈ ഒരു ഇയർലി ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ആണ്, എന്താണ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈ ഹാഫ് ഇയർലി ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ആണ്, ആൻഡ് ക്വാർട്ടർലി ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് മാർക്ക് ദ പ്രീവിയസ് quarter high and lows. Okay, that is very important. That price range will be act as a important zone, right? Like support and resistance. Okay, market will take support this kind of zones. Okay, then I am coming to the 1 month time frame. 1 month time frame. So here we can see what happened in the last week, right? There was a huge bullish candle, market closed previous month highs, and again market started the bull candle. Okay, and here also I am coming to weekly time frame. Okay, in weekly time frame we can see this is like a huge bullish candle, right? There is buyers are so many buyers are in the market, right? Buyers are so active in the market, so that's why this is a weekly candle close. So this is the history. And നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഗോൾഡിൻ്റെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എപ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഗോൾഡിൻ്റെ വീക്കിലി ക്യാൻഡിൽ ക്ലോസ് ഒരു ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈയിൽ പോയിട്ട് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ അപ്പോഴൊക്കെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാം മാർക്കറ്റിൽ വീണ്ടും ഒരു ബിഗ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ വീക്കിലി നമുക്ക് പ്രീവിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് കേസുകൾ നോക്കാം അല്ലേ. പ്രീവിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈ ഇതായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ ഒരു വീക്കിലി ക്യാൻഡിൽ, ഒരു ഓൾ ടൈം വീക്കിലി ക്യാൻഡിൽ ക്ലോസ്, ഓൾ ടൈം വീക്കിലി ക്ലോസ് വന്നപ്പോൾ, ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈ വീക്കിലി ക്ലോസ് വന്നപ്പോൾ അതിനുശേഷം മാർക്കറ്റ് ഒന്ന് പുൾ ബാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വീണ്ടും ഒരു ഹൈ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ചെയ്തല്ലേ. നല്ലൊരു ബിഗ് ബുള്ള് ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. ഇനി ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് നമുക്ക് എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചത് നോക്കാം. ഓരോ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റിലും ഇപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് മുമ്പ് അല്ലേ, നവംബർ 27 2023 മാർക്കറ്റിൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റിയിൽ ഇതൊക്കെ അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. ഒരു എന്താണ് ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈ വീക്കിലി ക്ലോസ് വെച്ചു, മാർക്കറ്റ് ഒന്ന് പുൾ ബാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് സപ്പോർട്ട് എടുത്ത് മാർക്കറ്റ് നല്ലൊരു ഹ്യൂജ് ബിഗ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വന്നു അല്ലേ. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ പിന്നിലുള്ള ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഏത് മാർക്കറ്റ് എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയാലും നമുക്ക് കാണാം അല്ലേ, ഒരു ഓൾ ടൈം ഹൈ ക്ലോസ് മാർക്കറ്റ് വെച്ചപ്പോൾ മാർക്കറ്റ് പുൾ ബാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു ഹ്യൂജ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത് നമുക്ക് കാണാം അല്ലേ. ഏതൊരു ഹൈ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഹൈ പ്രീവിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഹൈ, ഒരു വീക്കിലി ക്യാൻഡിൽ ക്ലോസ് ഹൈ, ഒരു ഹൈ വീക്കിലി ക്ലോസ് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നല്ലൊരു ബിഗ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് കാണാം അല്ലേ. സെയിം കൈൻഡ് തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് അല്ലേ. ഇപ്പോൾ വീക്കിലി ടൈം ഫ്രെയിം, വി ആർ ഇൻ വീക്കിലി ടൈം ഫ്രെയിം. സോ ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ this was the previous high and this is a bullish candle close, this is a weekly candle close. So what I am expecting is that we need to understand, we need to look at the yes. So we need to look at the smaller time frame. So now I marked the levels like opening and previous high, previous low, all the things I am marked. Now I am coming to daily time frame. You can see, നിങ്ങൾ സെക്കൻഡ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ I think you learned this candle, right? There's a huge bullish candle, right? So that there is a small shadow line into the downside, but still the last, I think last day, for example, that is Thursday candle. Thursday candle is a full bullish, right? So there is no huge upper shadow and lower shadow. That means buyers are very strong in the market. Okay, Prakash Kumar, so can we expect a pullback this week, then impulse move in next year? Yes, also I am expecting that. So I will show you what happened according to the previous market trend. Okay, so next I am coming to the 4-hour time frame. You can see market is in a uptrend market. So where we can see two trend line support, right? This one more trend line, and in the internally, if you are coming to 1 hour time frame, sorry, if you are coming to the 1 hour time frame, we can see an internal uptrend, very strong uptrend market in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I am marked the trend line support also there. Okay, so here you can see I marked the yellow price, right? So that is a liquidity point for the market. Okay, that is a liquidity area. So that is the Friday low market. So there will be below of the Friday there will be lot of liquidity in the market. Liquidity means there will be lot of orders will be in the market. So what we can expect is, now if people who learned basic courses, they know the head and shoulder pattern, right? So head and shoulder means it's a reversal pattern. So you can see left shoulder and a high and a right shoulder, right? So what next, what we are expecting, wait for the neckline and a retest, and the next break we will go for a sell. As a basic student you will do that, but tomorrow is Monday, the market will be in consolidation. So don't trust this head and shoulder reversal pattern. Okay, so be careful, don't take trades according to the head and shoulder, because Monday is a sideways market, right? So banks are open chain manipulations ella market we can see, അല്ലേ, ഒരു മാനിപ്പുലേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും. സോ ഡോണ്ട് ട്രസ്റ്റ് ദിസ് ഹെഡ് ആൻഡ് ഷോൾഡർ. ഇറ്റ് വിൽ maybe it can hit your SL. Okay, tomorrow we can see, after opening the Tokyo market, we can see some movement. So in smaller time frame we can take some trades in the morning time. Okay, there will be a movement. Okay, so what I am expecting is, I have two scenarios for tomorrow. If there is a trade, I will take two type of trades. So first movement, what we are expecting, after collecting the Friday low, then market will again go back this level. Okay, this previous high level. So this is one of the movement I am expecting. Or what we can expect, maybe market will, there will be huge fall, then after that again market will go, the previous the fifth wave will be continued. So here I marked an Elliott wave. So people who, students who learning advanced course, so they know Elliott wave, right? So there is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and next we can expect a 5. So in weekly candles we know it's a all-time high weekly candle close. So we can expect market is in a big bullish. So whatever price people get, they will buy again the gold, right? So where we can expect the good buying momentum in the market. So for that we need to wait for the tomorrow's Tokyo market. So after the Tokyo market we will get a one trade, maybe that you need to check in lower time frame. Okay, so mainly in Mondays we don't trade, but if you are getting any opportunities we will take, right? So we need to wait for the Tokyo market. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് സാധാരണഗതിയിൽ എന്താണ് മൺഡേ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഏറ്റവും നല്ലത്. ഓക്കെ, മാർക്കറ്റിൽ സൈഡ് വേസ് മാർക്കറ്റ്. സോ നാളെ ഇപ്പോൾ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും, മാർക്കറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് പോയി വീണ്ടും ഇത് പോയിന്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സൈഡ് വേസ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിരിക്കും ഇനി തിങ്കളാഴ്ച മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് സാധാരണയായിട്ട് സംഭവിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു പോസിബിൾ ആണ്. മൺഡേ ദിവസം ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഏഷ്യൻ മാർക്കറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രാവിലെ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ലണ്ടൻ സെഷൻ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുന്നവരെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഒരു സൈഡ് വേസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു 1 hour ടൈം ഫ്രെയിമിൽ 15 minute ടൈം ഫ്രെയിമിൽ ഒരു ട്രേഡ് നോക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിക്കോണമെന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് എ മൂവ്മെന്റ് വി ആർ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ഇൻ gold. Okay, so and also we can see this is the equilibrium level of the previous trend, right? So and in here, because in previous that area was a resistance area. So if market again trying to push down, we can expect what, this moment also. This moment also we can expect if there is a huge fall in the morning. Okay, maybe we can check if there are any newses. Forex factory. Okay, Monday, I think this is 4:30. Okay, after opening the New York market. Okay, so can we hold our buy position right now? So Freedom Wisdom, in which price you bought? Can you update your buying price? Then I can check. Okay, if your buying price is in between 2977 to 2957, better to close the trade. You book the profit. Okay, otherwise market in tomorrow morning market will collect this liquidity. That time when market pull back, that time your profit may less. Okay, so better to book the profit right now. Okay, then wait for the another buying opportunity from these levels. Okay, so market still is in uptrend market. So when we can expect a correction or a sell in the market? So according, as of my prediction, I am expecting before a major correction, market should touch $3,108. Okay, that is my price range. I am marking the price range, and also I think I updated in our community also. And there is a zone to okay, so before a major correction, market should reach in this zone. Okay, so this is the zone that we are expecting for a major correction. Okay, after tapping these levels, then only we need to look for a huge sell in the market. Okay, so that will be a correction also. Okay, so that is the analysis for the gold. And next we are coming to the Bitcoin. Okay, BTCUSD. Okay, so in BTCUSD we can see nowadays the last days in 30 minutes time frame market is consolidating. So next what we can do, okay, so here also we can do a top down analysis, okay, in BTC, you know, from 2945. I think you can hold that trade. I think, let me check the price. 2945, it's a safer price. Okay, it's a safer buying zone. Your buying price is 2945, right? So better to move your SL into break even, then you can hold for a next week. I'm also expecting a bull run in the gold into 103,050 level. Okay, does this mean the market will decline or will the trend continue? Yes, I am expecting a pullback. Okay, okay, two possibility I am explained for the tomorrow morning. That is, market will collect the liquidity and go from this zone. That is also possible. Okay, or market will correct almost how many pips? 360 pips we can correction also we can expect. Okay, where so for the reversal we need to, maybe market will again go up and down, then where we can plot the XAUUSD pattern, then we can find the reversal. Okay, that will be maybe 786 level. Okay, then we can expect take the confirmation according to the fib level. Okay, so still that XAUUSD will be not work out. Market need to create one more top, then market needs to break this line, then only we can plot that harmonics pattern to understand the reversal zone. Okay, so I think it's cleared. And next I am coming to the BTC. So here also we are doing the same thing what we are done in gold. Okay, so in this is a 12-month candle, right? And also what happened in the last days? So this was the January. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this was the previous yearly high. See, okay, this is a 12-month candle, that is 1 year candle. Okay, so I mark, see why the market reversed from this level. That was the previous yearly high. So there is a liquidity, people who buy from this levels or this level, they will try to take their positions or they will cut their positions in break even. Okay, that is the point. Okay, so there will be more liquidity, that's why market took this high in this here and market came back. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so next one is we need to mark this opening level also, yearly opening also we need to plot it. Okay, so that is also a major level. And next I am coming to the 6-month candle. So where you can see market is in still not cover, just to touch the 50% of the 6-month candle, right? Almost it touch the 50% of the previous 6-month candle. Okay, this is the area. Okay, next I am coming to the 3-month candle. Also the same thing happened, right? 50% of the previous quarterly candle. Okay, the same thing happened. And next one is I am coming to the 1-month candle. Okay, 1-month candle, we can see this was the impulse movement, market just take the 50% of that also. Okay, then so you can connect all the things, right? There where we are getting the confirmation. Okay, then we are coming to the weekly time frame. Okay, so in weekly time frame we can see there is an impulse and market took the 50%, that is the equilibrium level, and connected. And you can see if you are coming here, there is an Elliott that we can see in daily time frame, or see, this is the starting of the trend, right? This is the starting of the trend, impulse and correction. Okay, so if I am plot the Elliott wave and taking the extension start 0 1 2, market just touch it. Okay. Yes. Now this was the 0 1 2 3 4 and a 5 is just breaken. Okay, so if you are taking any indicator like RSI, so right, so this was the third wave high, right? So here also you can see there is a momentum divergence. See, there is low volume and there was high price, right? So that's a reversal confirmation where we can confirm the fifth wave is ended, right? Then I'm removing this indicator, and again I'm coming to the 4-hour time frame where we can see market is following a downtrend. Downtrend market. So this is the trend now following, right? Yes. And there was a pattern in lower time frame, in 2-hour time frame. I am coming to 2-hour. Yes. Okay. There was a symmetrical triangle, right? I think we already updated in our community. So if you are in our community, you can see this pattern before. But what happened here? This was the February low, market collected that low and pull back. So that is a liquidity area. That's a liquidity area. Okay, so now what we are looking, market is in a creating a equal highs, right? Like a resistance. So as per patterns, we can see there is an ascending triangle, right? The combination of resistance and higher lows. Okay, so what we are next we are expecting, wait for a candle close, then a retest, and the next break we can go for a buy. Okay, so before taking a buy order, you need to go in small 50 minutes. You can take multiple confirmations like double pattern confirmations, that all the things you need to take. Okay, so here also market just take the, I think the price range is Sunday and the Friday. Saturday. Okay, see here you can see today Sunday now. Market collected Saturday's high and again pull back. Okay, now need to wait. Now just the Sunday high is also taken, and next is this is the previous week high, that is also no, previous week high will be this. So because Bitcoin is will work in 7 days in a week, right? So this will be the previous week after closing opening the Monday, then this will be the previous week high. So this area we need to confirm, wait for a proper candle close, then check the candle reaction here, and the next breakout we can go for a buy. Okay. More refugees authenticating XAUUSD 2920. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's XAU 2920. Tomorrow, the previous Friday low is most important. Okay, I'm also not expecting more movement in the market. Tomorrow market will be almost consolidating. After that, creating a one more high, then market will back. Okay, so this year, this month is most important. Okay, this is a quarterly ending month. So the mid movement is already happened in the Thursday and Friday. Okay, mid of the month movement is already happened. Okay, what about whale short which I published today into which I published into yes. So in there is an platform in decentralized exchange decentralized trading platform Hyperliquid, and that there's a lot of decentralized platform where we can see some whales shorted almost $338 million short, right? So yeah, I think the price range is little high that time. Okay, maybe they still, I think they are not booked their profit. Okay, so they know something about this, that's why they are shorted. Okay, that is the reason. Okay. Yes, I understand. I think you saw that post in Web3 Decoder in our crypto community, right? So that is there's a platform that is called Hyperliquid. Okay, Hyperliquid is a decentralized contract trading platform where people can buy and sell using a wallet. Okay, no need to create an account or no need to transfer money. Okay, so that is little complicated. Still, that's a new thing. Still not മാർക്കറ്റിൽ അത് വിജയിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സ്റ്റിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ട്രൈ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഒരുപാട് ബഗ്സും കാര്യങ്ങളും ബി സോ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ബഗ്സ് ഇൻ ദിസ് ഡിജിറ്റൽ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ചസ്. സോ still not but still trading is happening. So one of the whale is shorted, I think $338 million short. So if market coming again, then he can make a lot of profit. Okay, but he knows something that we don't know who that is. That is an anonymous person, so that we need to check in the chain, then we can see what they are doing next. Okay, so people may be manipulate the market. He will short for 380 million and he will again buy for $1 billion. That is also possible. It's still all is manipulations, right? People are watching every time in blockchain. Okay, so they will do, if they have 300 million here, maybe they will have $1 billion in the another side, that they will take advantages. So first they are short, so people, that market is going down, then in the opposite trade there will be another opposite trade. So market retailers will be manipulated. So people who don't know about blockchain, they will be manipulated. Okay, so still we are looking at into his valid, but I don't know, the last 2 hours I didn't check it. We can check and I will inform you. Okay, can you please explain US 100 next week? Okay, I will check. So I am not a trader in US 100. In previous years I am focusing on gold and Bitcoin only. Okay, and all other currencies only for long term trading, like cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Toshi, BNB, all the things only for long term. But I am most connected with the Bitcoin and gold. Okay, so also we can look at the US 100, no problem. According to my knowledge, I will draw the things. Okay, thank you. Okay, then we already, this is an important price zone. So when you get a proper rally from this zone, where what you can do, you can trade a ABCD trade. After a break, wait for a discount level, then you can go for a ABCD trade. Okay, so next we are coming to Euro USD. So Euro USD, we can look at the market came to 0.618 level, right? Yes. Okay. And this is a resistance level. Okay. Then it's a weekly time frame. Coming to daily. Okay. we can see there's a huge FVG is there, but if market coming down, we can expect market will take this SVG, then again market will go up. Okay, coming daily time frame. Okay, I'm taking premium and discount. Yes, that's a discount zone. So when market EURUSD comes down, maybe market will continue the upside or comes, take the discount again. There's a pullback we can expect. Okay, so this is a moment. Or if market is again starting to fall, so what will happen? Market will, that discount area will act as a resistance. Okay, so that is the view for the Euro USD. And next one is US 100. So we got a request from our community to check Euro USD 100, right? US 100. I am not a fan of US 100 actually. As per your request, I am checking only. Okay. So see, there's a huge movement. See, in the previous February month there was a huge fall. Okay, so taking from the all the things is happened. Okay. I think I was analyzed it before. The whole Elliott is works, and again market is going up, right? After that, I didn't analyze the market. Okay, no, let's keep it there. I'm taking US 100. If you have any question, you can ask through the live chat, so I can reply. Okay, again I'm coming to the monthly time frame. Okay, so weekly. Here also in small lot of liquidity. Yes. Again comes to monthly time frame. Okay. Okay, then comes to day time frame. Okay, the day time frame. Okay. Friday candle is closed. Like I think you learned the candlestick patterns in I think the name I forget. What's the name? What is the name of this candle? Piercing pattern, right? Same like a piercing pattern. You can see a bearish candle, a gap, bullish army like that. Okay, candle close here. Okay, so buyers just came to the market. There is no lower shadow is also another confirmation, and comes to 4 hour. That's a good rally, and we can see a double bottom pattern, right? Double bottom pattern we can see. Okay, so wait for the neckline breakout. Okay, directly don't go and trade in 4 hour time frame. Better to mark that neckline and comes to the smaller time frame like 15 minutes. Okay, after breaking that, find one more pattern and trade. That is good as of a. And what I am expecting, there is an Elliott movement. We can see there is a low high already 1.618. Yes. Okay. See, a fifth is already completed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. movement is also completed. Next we can expect a correction. We can check. Okay. So next we can expect what if market didn't get the previous, if market didn't take the previous high, and if market directly coming to this level, then I hope this level will be the next support area. That is an equilibrium level for the US 100. Okay, so if market again going to break, so the correction I am expecting to this level. Okay, so coming to smaller time frame, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, we can see there is a wedge, like a rising wedge. It's not a bullish flag. Okay, it's not a bullish flag, it's like like a rising wedge. Okay, so whenever market getting a higher price, there's a tendency to sell. Okay, so after breaking these levels, we can expect a fall to this green zone. Okay, so what I am expecting is there is a structure break is also, we can see structure break and exchange of character, and one more movement to this. At least we can expect this trend, and maybe market after the correction, this all movement will act as a, this area is like a discount zone or a equilibrium level, and again the third wave we can expect. Okay, I hope it's clear. And next we are coming to the USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. Okay, so same thing, what we are continuing, what top down analysis, that is more important. Okay, so here we can see the top down analysis. Weekly. Okay. Day time frame. That's a failed impulse. Okay. Market closed below of that low in weekly candle, and trend line. Okay, so directly people who learning your advanced, right, they can directly see an Elliott wave, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5. See, very easy, right? 1.618, again correction, again int. Okay, after that market, the correction is started. Okay, let me check once again. Okay, yes. Okay, next time coming to 4-hour time frame. So here we can see a huge downtrend. Okay, and again we can expect one more dip after breaking the neckline. We can see what the next moment I am expecting is, we can plot an XABCD here, right? XABCD 1.272 level is also important. Okay, so this is the March high. Okay, this March high. Okay, high. So the last week, okay, I'm taking weekly candles again. Okay, this is a previous week. Okay, that level is the monthly high, the March month high. Okay, so that price zone is most important for the USDJPY. Okay, so what we can expect is from the D zone. Okay, D zone is, this zone is a reversal zone. Okay, so after coming that level, we can go for a sell after taking the further confirmation. Again, my price range is, my selling price range is to this level. Again, market continue the trend into 140, 143. Okay, 143 is my level. So after the reaching this D level, we can expect a, so where if market is again coming down, okay, the XAUUSD values will be changed. Okay, so as of now, this is the reversal zone. If market directly comes this level, then we can go for a sell here, or there is a pattern we can see in 1 hour time frames, right? So there's a pattern formation we can see here, a symmetrical triangle that maybe if market breakout, this is the mouth as you know, and the same, this is the 80% booking area. So better to focus, you can buy and sell also, both is possible in USDJPY. It's a good trading opportunity. Okay, just let's watch what happened in the next week. So this is the analysis for today. If market break directly to the downside, then that downtrend will be again continue. Okay, so we are going to, okay, XRP. Yeah, XRP already hold ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? XRP USD. Yeah, so yes, market took the previous support level and Friday last February low. After taking the February low, market there was a huge movement. I think we are mentioned this before, there was a inverted head and shoulder. After a break, retest and break, market go again, right? And why market reversal from this level is, that will be a trend line reversal, where you can see a trend line reversal. So better to wait for the equilibrium level, that is the price range of this level. So as of now, this is the equilibrium level. I am just putting the 0.5 level here and I am deleting. Okay, then this is the Saturday and Tuesday, this is the last week. Okay, so let me check the weekly time frame. Okay, that is the equilibrium. Okay, for buying the XRP, better to trade XRP. If you are old, you should hold for a 10 year, that I will suggest as of now. Okay, otherwise you can trade and you can make money by doing trading. Okay, so the next moment I am expecting in 30 minutes, so we can see market was in a downtrend, and also if you are check the Elliott wave, market took the 1.618, right? Okay, 0. After coming to the 5 level, wait for a trend reversal or a character change or a break of structure. then you can buy from here and you can hold for the this week high also. Okay. Okay, so after creating a fifth, then you can go from buy after taking a change of character from this level. Maybe directly market will come, or most probably market will come like that. Then we need a change of character, and just we can better to go for a buy. Okay, put your SL below of this the previous mid of the week previous low, and you can go directly go for a buy, and better to trade in futures. Okay, don't recommend for a buying from this level in 2.2. Say good price to, okay, it will take time. Okay, so if you are holding XRP, you should hold for a 4 year 5 year, then only you will be profitable. Okay, maybe if the next fall you need to exit the take the profit and exit. Okay, we don't know what happened in this XRP. Okay, maybe the huge sell also may come. Okay, because if you check the previous data, we can see, right, there is huge movement to 1.2 to 1.9 to 2.4 movement is happened. And if you are take the like weekly time frame, we can see there is huge movement, like how many percentage, 600% movement is happened, right? So that is the risk. So as of now, XRP movement we are expecting like this. Okay. Okay, so okay guys, today thanks for joining with us. So hope we can see the next week's Sundays for the weekly forex forecast. Okay, thank you guys. So we are going to wind up today's forecast, so we can see next Sunday. Okay.